Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Brian at BG's Model Workshop and Sean at the Scale Model Car Guy channel are putting on a small scale build for the month of February. So February 1 through February 28, the smallest cars in the smallest month. So, hey, makes sense. Well, I wanted to show you my entries. Stick around, we'll see what's in the box. Hey guys, my stash has a number of 32nd scale cars, and as I was looking through this when they threw the challenge out, and yes, I know I've got a lot of stuff on my list to do for this year, but had to throw my hat in the ring on this one, guys. Just sounds like a lot of fun. But this is the first one I ran across, and I thought, oh, how cool. But just factory stock on these 32s is so cool, and I thought, well, it's a simple kit, and I'm thinking about going ahead and doing this one. But let's take a look at what's in here. I haven't done a 32nd scale in quite a while. The chrome looks, actually, that looks pretty good. Of course, this will have to be stripped. Bumpers, they look pretty to scale. Oh, I love these headlights. And that grill should take a nice wash through there. Not bad, not bad. And apparently sometime when I first got this kit, I must have gone through it and cleaned up, cut the stuff off the sprue, because that's done. A little bit of marks and stuff here I'll get onto later. So the engine is molded in, so we don't have an engine. But isn't that cool? Uh-oh, I just saw something else too. You know how I am about these cowl vents. That's going to have to be open. That's really, I don't see any or feel any mold lines. Of course, when I prime it, I'll know that for sure too. Interior. Oh, I've got some ideas on the color on this already. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The one thing I don't like is the tires are the plastic two-piece. But you know what? I'm going to try something with these. Because I really do want to keep it stock. I was going to go with some hot rod wheels out of one of the other 32nds, but I think I'm going to do the factory stock. The grill. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah. Let's take a look at the instructions. And I have some other ones. And guys, if you've gotten to know me, you know that I'll change my mind or change something at the drop of a hat. So we'll see. Hey, for a small kit, a small instruction sheet. Yeah, pretty simplified, low parts count. And let's take a look at the decals here. Okay, we've got some, back in the day you had advertisement for like salesman's cars. You had Rita Restoration, Nelson's Hardware, Stan's Ladder Company. And got a good selection of California, New York, and Michigan license plates. Oh, even got the little bitty Ford decals down here. Yeah, this might be a fun little simplified build. I do wish it had an engine. I've got an Atlantis Nova that I've been itching to do something with too, so I won't rule it out. And these are so small and kind of simple that, hey, may even do them both. But I've got other things that I'm trying to get done in addition. And speaking of BG, since this was one of their projects, the Double Dog Dare, if you remember that he issued to me about the Aerovet. I am going to finish this. I've let this go too long now, so this is going to be probably while I'm doing on the 32nds. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the Aerovet. And if you remember, I'm going to do it as though it was a factory production car. So I found the color blue I want to use. I don't think I have it in here right now, but I'll do another video as I get on this too, and let you see the color and all that kind of stuff. And I've got a few options I'm probably going to add that I think are going to make it kind of fun. But that's our 32nd scale. Right now, this is what I'm going to do, but like I said, I may switch over to that Nova. I don't know. But I had to jump in on this because I haven't done one in a while. So guys, thanks so much for watching. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.